Welcome to Little Pop and Fun Pack! Hi kids, today we are hiking
at St. Edward State Park, Washington.
You've arrived. Go that side and play a park in front of the university. Yeah, there's a huge kids playground. This is baseball. Today is a Discovery Pass free day.
Park here or?
You have Discovery Pass, you have to park that side. You have to park here, it's free parking.
Discovery Pass ಬೇಕಂತ ಇದೆ.
Welcome to Little Pop and Fun Pack, and today we're at
St. Edward State Park.
Today we're at St. Edward State Park,
And we're going hiking.
and we're going hiking. Come on, let's go.
Look at this tree, wow. So tall. Look for the spider house. Watch your step here. Come and see. See the skeleton of the roots. See how they're grown. And you see there's a spider house right there. Come, Guria, it's far away. Come. I was joking, come. To distract you. Call Appa with the whistle. When should you use that? Say kids, you should use that when you're lost.
Kids, you should use this when you're lost.
Can you blow again? Okay, now give Gudiya a turn. Gudiya, you turn here and whistle.
Use it with your mouth.
Yeah, that's good. High five. What do you see in your trail? See, there are so many logs of wood. Look at the blueberry plants.
Now what is wrong?
What do you have in your backpack, Dora?
I'll show you what's in my backpack.
Just say no, you don't have to open it.
Look, I'll show you.
See, you have a bubble maker.
I have a bubble maker.
Oh, nice. Keep it. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. One step, two step, one step, two. One step, one step, one step, two. Stop. Listen. What do you hear? Bird. Listen. Use your ears.
Bird.
Wind.
Wind.
We're not afraid. Shadows in the jungle, shadows in the jungle. It's only Mama and Gudiya. One step, two step, one step, two. One step, two step, one step, through. Strong cold, nothing happened. But nothing happened. See how many blueberry bushes are here. Hey kids.
Look at white and red mushroom.
Yeah, can you stand there close? World is a wonder, nature's surprise.
Stars in the heavens, sunset and sunrise. All things have to change. They come and they go. From beginning to end, life must go on.
All things have to change. They come and they go. From beginning to end, life must go on. See nature's heart. Mother Tifiti stays there. Who is Mother Tifiti? In Moana they show Mother Earth, no? Her name is Mother Tifiti. It's an upside down heart. So cute. Hey explorer! Knock knock. Fung. What Dora will? Wait for me will. Huh?
It is edible.
Really?
The stars in the heavens, sunset and sunrise. All things have to change. They come and they go. From beginning to end, life must go on.
All things have to change.
They come and they go. From beginning to end, life must be on.
Life must go on.
Life must go on.
Gudiya,
I'm going to ship. We're going to the ship ride.
yellow submarine. What a big xylophone.
Can I try Gudiya? Good.
It's broken.
Oh.
It's okay, you can still do it. Use this. Be careful though. Don't hurt your eyes. You should stand out where Appa is standing, not standing. Now you do. Now it won't hurt you.
Wait. Okay.
Guddu, where is Gudiya? See, there are some eggs there. See the eggs here. What are those, Gudiya? Be careful though. It's a tree house. What is there? You can go on the slide from here. Go. Go on the slide. Okay, use these. Those are broken. That's not there. Wherever there's a pipe, it will work. What are these? What are these? What are these? See, these are wolves. That's an eagle. Come here, Gudiya. What is this? See, there's a little mommy woodpecker with a baby woodpecker. Can you see?
Yeah.
What's this? This is meerkat, I think. See, baby meerkat.
Yeah, baby meerkat.
Come here. What is this? Raccoon. What is this? It's a crane. See, there's a frog hanging on the crane's beak.
Yeah.
He's eating a frog. It's in rainbow colors, right?
Yeah.
Can you go this way and tell me the color? Red,
Red,
orange, yellow,
green,
green, blue, indigo. And what's this? It's a tortoise. You want to sit on it? Dora, 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 Dora. Sit. Wait, 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 sit.
Dora, 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 go, go, go.
Hold the sides. Hold the side. You should hold the railing always. Okay. Step down. See, so many owls are there. Can you go to the owl's house and see what's inside? Go inside. Go this side. Turn around. Turn around and jump. Jump. Come, jump. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Open door and let me in. Open door and let me in. Puff and blow your houses.
You can walk.
Say. Say, then I'll hop.
Thank you for watching our fun pack. Please subscribe.